Welcome to Future School. My name is Allison Montiel and I'm the principal. I'm super excited to welcome you on campus this year. This 2020-2021 school year is really going to be interesting. We've never faced anything like a pandemic before, and neither have you, so we're all doing this together for the first time. But it's going to be fine because we're all going to be great. Rockets rise.
Hi, and welcome to Future School. I'm April, the internship director, and I'm also the district testing coordinator. I can pretty much help you with all of your career and college information. So, we need to go over a couple of things. One, we're really excited to have you this year and really excited to have you back. We've been looking forward to it. So, the first thing, when you get here in the mornings, the doors will open at 8 o'clock. So, from 8 to 8:30, students will be in the gym. Pay attention to the white social distancing stickers because those measure every 6 feet. Also, when you come in the door, you will get a sticker that tells you what the day is and that you are not running fever and that you are allowed to be here that day. So everyone put it on your mask and everyone will abide by that rule. If you do not have one, you will have to come to the front and get rechecked. At 8:30, everyone goes to their advisory classrooms, and this is where you will stay for your classes. So from 8:15 to 9:30, there's free breakfast in the gym. There's no second chance breakfast this year. Also, there is free lunch for all students. And trust me, you want the lunch this year. We have bistro boxes, and we also have pre-made salads that are absolutely beautiful. Parking. So if you drive to school, you're going to park either in the grass lot or you're going to park on the street. Make sure that you park on the street facing the direction on that side of the road. If you're facing the opposite direction, sometimes people will come in, the police, and ask us to ask you to repark. Advisors are about to go over the Wednesday expectations because remember, you're not on campus except for today. The engagement requirements, and Amelie is going to hit the virtual norms. Again, we're really excited to see you. One thing that I forgot to mention is the only door that you are allowed to enter school through is the front door. You have to come through the front door to get your sticker and get checked. And remember, if mom or dad drive you to school, we're going to have to scan you before you get out of your car. There will be someone taking temperature before you get out of your car. So just make sure, however you get to school, that you're getting checked. And we appreciate it, and we look forward to seeing you. And this year's going to be awesome. Thanks so much, guys.
Hi, I'm Amelie. I'm the instructional coach here at Future. Even though we have moved into more of the virtual space, many of our norms remain the same. We still ask that our students show up on time to their virtual classes. We ask that they still dress appropriately. We ask that anything that is prohibited at school remain prohibited on the virtual classroom. Assignments should be completed and completed on time. And we should all still participate, even though we're at a distance. We should all still ask questions, find out anything that we need to know.
Hi, I'm Coach Eric. I'm the Athletic Director and the Restorative Practice Facilitator. I am here to help you and look forward to seeing you tomorrow.
Hi, my name is Cordelia. I am the WIN coordinator and the internship coordinator here at Future, and I look forward to seeing you tomorrow.
Welcome back.
Hi, I'm Christina. I'm the registrar at Future School. I can help you with schedule changes, transcripts, or any college questions that you may have.
Hey, I'm Teresa. I'm the head of the Child Nutrition Department, and this is Jeanette. She helps and runs the kitchen for me. I do the paperwork, she does the kitchen. And we can't wait to serve you meals. We have a robust program this year with remote meals as well. So feel free to let your teachers know that you need remote meals and we'll have those ready for you to pick up as well.
Hi, I'm Anna. I'll be front office coordinator. If you need any help or anything, I'll get you in contact with whoever you need to get with. I'm also going to be the person that say hi and take your temperature every morning. Also, I speak Spanish, so there's no challenges there. We'll see you this following year.
Hi, my name is Penny, and I'm the school counselor, and I'm also the coordinator of special programs.
If you need some one-on-one time, if you have any questions, if you need help, come see me.